Hello, my beautiful travelers. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the Sheraton Grand Rio Hotel in Rio de Janeiro. This is a Sheraton that is located just to the west of Leblon and Ipanema. You can actually see Ipanema Beach in the distance there. It is slightly tucked away in its own cove, making it a little bit more secure and private. We'll talk about that in a second. But this is an older Sheraton that has been extremely well kept and maintained and clean. So while the furniture looks very dated and very basic, if you actually look closer at the carpet, at the furnishings, at the walls, it is just very, very clean and well maintained, and they definitely take pride in this hotel. There is not a lot of high-end, if you're looking for nicer branded hotels in Rio, it just does not exist. From at least Marriott, at least you have the JW and this property, and the JW is much older than this hotel, even though it's supposed to be a superior product. But let's get started. So you have your entrance right there. And again, nothing special about this room. You put your key when you enter right here. This turns on the lights, otherwise they wouldn't work. To the left, you have your bathroom, which is rather small with a sink, a single sink, a little bit of a marble countertop there, your basic amenities, your soaps, your hair dryers, your lotions, some waters. 2 glasses of water, some tissues. Here's your toilet, and then a stand-up shower. You don't have a bathtub. Your amenities are attached to the wall, but just very, very, very clean. I mean, the tile, the floors, everything is just sparkling clean. So I am very satisfied with this choice of hotel. Here you have your closet. You have a safe, an iron board, and then your laundry bag and laundry service right there. Moving over to this section, you have a full-length mirror, your luggage rack, your TV, a minibar selection, as well as a refrigerator. As you can see, look, the refrigerator is dated and it is fully stocked. So anything that you take from here, you will be charged to your room. However, if you do get access to the lounge, they have a lounge on a different floor of the hotel. They also keep that lounge stocked with snacks and beverages, so you can just go there if you do pay for that, and you don't have to keep paying for the amenities. Here's your Nespresso machine. It's one of the older Nespressos, and your coffee and tea selection. They do provide decaf, which is very thoughtful, and your cups of coffee. Here's your desk. Nice to work on that desk with the view of that beautiful ocean. It is a cloudy day today. Again, you already saw the bed, 2 nightstands. The plugs are accessible to the wall there, so that is convenient. A sitting chair here with a table in case you want to work or eat from there. And then you have access to a balcony and the beach. So this is a very private and secluded beach because, again, only the hotel has access to it for the most part, but you do get locals that come. One thing to know about Rio, and by the way, here below you see the pool and the hot tub. And again, in the distance, you have Ipanema Beach and the Leblon neighborhoods, which you could technically walk there from here if you want. So a couple of things. There's not a lot of good hotel product. There's not a lot of high-end and good hotel product. It's just the way it is. The other takeaway is safety is a concern here. So you just have to be smart. Unlike other parts of Brazil, there is a lot of favelas that are spread out throughout the city, and they're very close to the tourist areas. So what happens is that there is a lot of intermingling from various socioeconomic classes, and I'm not making this up. All you have to do is look it up yourself online, and you see that safety and security is an issue here. However, you can be smart. You can request private transportation when you go areas. Try to eat indoors if you're eating out as opposed to eating on sidewalks. Try to not show any sort of sign of wealth, like just basic watches and jewelry and shirts that might be more fancy. Just kind of dress down to protect yourself. But overall, very happy with this hotel. And I do like the fact that it is slightly secluded and separate from some of the main drags. It also has extremely good reviews online, so check those out as well. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.